someone is stalking you on TikTok or keeps messaging you all the time.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Or you just block someone, now you want to unblock him, but just don't know how. And you probably want to see what he or she is up to. But with this video you'll learn at least 2 ways to do it, and this is going to be a no BS tutorial. All I want from you is to grab 2 but actually 4 things. First, a cup of coffee, because you are awesome, even if no one but your mother thinks so. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, it really helps me out. And subscribe to this wonderful, wholesome, family-friendly YouTube channel if you're new, with bell notifications on. Let's get right into this how-to video. Okay, so I'm on TikTok right now. And to block someone, you just click the Discover tab, you go here and you type in something like dog, right? You find a dog account, you go on it, you block the person, and it says block these users, they won't be able to see your profile or content on TikTok. So this is how you block the person. You click the 3 dots, block. That's super simple. And you can already see the way to unblock him. If you just search for the person again, you won't be able to see him here. An idea is find his video and unblock him, or just go on me, this profile, click on the 3 dots right here, go down to privacy and safety, go down below, click on blocked accounts, see the person, click on block, and it's so simple. This is how you do it. See, it was an OBS tutorial. And you know what? I can shout your TikTok, Instagram or YouTube channel out. All you gotta do is comment your username in the comments down below.
What do I owe you? Nothing. It's for free.
Here are comment winners on this episode, and I'll also shout you out on my Instagram stories, by the way. First we have Francis Tank, who says his tag is at 501-Radio Amoto. Then we have Delta Snipes. I wish I saw this video before doing anything. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. See my videos first and then go about your day and do anything. See you in the next one. Remember that the video day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial or medical advice. But by the end of this video, you know what to do. Check one of these videos out.